Hi everyone, I'm Chanel and I'm back with another journal that I have completed. This is a custom order, and this is actually sold, of course, because it's a custom order, and just wanted to show you it because I just love it. It's using a digital kit from ARTYmaze, and it is just beautiful. I absolutely love the way that this journal has come out. I've done it a little bit different in the way that I've put ribbon, elasticated ribbon around it instead of doing the eyelet, so that's quite easy for this to come off. And then this is the kit with you. I've used this as a cover and just glossy accented the key there. I did see someone else do that, and I thought, oh, that looks really cool, so that's what I've done there. I did have a book plate, is it called a book plate from Tim Holtz, but it's not the right size, so I thought I'd glossy accent it instead. I've put a ruffle fabric there and some just lovely flowers and some lace here, and that's the gorgeous back. Look at that, just stunning. And then if we look inside, we have a pocket. Now this, I think what I actually did was I used a template for a pocket from another one of ARTYmaze's kits, and I printed out one of the journaling pages and I just cut out the pocket and use that as a pocket. And I think there's another one in there as well, which is from one of the journaling pages. And then we have one of these gorgeous tags, and all of this is the kit, which she has these lovely tab pulls, not tadpoles, tab pulls in the kit, and they're just lovely, and I've just sewn around them and put that onto coffee dyed paper. Look how colourful this kit is. Look at this, just beautiful. Look at the bunny and Alice, and then I've just put some lace there, and I've also left a little bit there so you could use that as a tuck spot. And then the belly band is in the kit. Just love it. I have put that, my card wasn't very thick, so I've put it on, reinforced it with other card, and then I've sewn that on. And then we have another one of the journaling cards and the tab pulls, and it says, "I'm not crazy, my reality is just different from yours." Sounds like my Charlie. Sounds a bit like me actually. And then this isn't from the kit. I can't remember where I got these ones from. It was from another kit on Etsy, but yeah, so that one's not, but this is part of the kit, and just cut that out as a tuck spot. Just adorable. And look at this, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then we have some just book pages, and just how colourful is this kit. Love it. And then I have a corner tuck spot there, and that's not from the kit, that's from the other ephemera that I had. And then the drink me as well, I think, is from the other kit. And then we've got a lovely little butterfly, and it's one of them little clusters on there. And then these are from the kit, and this is a gorgeous journaling card, and again with the tab pulls. And then use one of the little journaling cards, and she has these lovely little like tea bag pull things on there. And I've just, when I put the coffee dyed paper, I just fastened that in there to make that a little bit more fun. And what I've done is I have just a lace pocket there to tuck those into. Oh, so I mean, these kits that Andrea makes, that just makes it so easy for you to make kits, and it's so much fun. It really is absolutely so much fun. Look at these lovely mason jars, and I've just put some lace trim on that and fasten that to the page so you've got a little bit to write in. There's a gold paper bag there, And then this is actually from an old report book. It's something I picked up at a car boot or something, and I just thought it was just cute, because obviously Alice is a little girl and this is a report sheet from an actual report book. It says there is still room for improvement in many of Mary's subjects. She must make every effort to improve her work. And then there's more on the other side. I'm not sure what year that was, but I just thought it was so cute. Shame the lady's name wasn't Alice, really, but never mind. And then we have a doily, a page from a flower book, and then this is from the kit. Have I gone mad? I'm afraid so. You're entirely bonkers. I should keep this journal, really. I think it's lovely. And then a little fabric ruffle here. I have the Queen of Hearts, a playing card in there. This isn't from the kit. That's just from the same. I think there was 4 from that other little kit there. And then we have some lace edge there on both of those. This way, Mad Hatter's Tea Party, wrong way. And then an old book page. And then some music paper, some plain paper. And then there's the centre of the signature. And then this is one of the little die cuts that you get in the kit. And I have reinforced it onto, just stuck it onto card and then cut it out again just to reinforce that and use that as a tuck spot. These are from the kit, little fun, little ticket tags. And look, lots of journaling space here in the kit, within the kit. Music paper, another one of the belly bands, and this is just some ephemera that I had. I think it's from the old design shop, I think. And I think that's actually a term and monthly report booklet. So that's another school sort of themed ephemera. And then I've put some lace trim on this little envelope here. And inside, there's another one of those little cards. And then you can sort of just tuck that in there. And then we have the other side of this flower page with a ruffle and another one of those journaling cards. Here's the other side of that report card. I'm not sure what year that is. Oh, 1966. There you go. That's before I was born. Look, February 66. It says, look, quite good progress, satisfactory work and progress. Mary shows interest and makes progress in art. English language rather weak, greater effort needed. Mary. Right, so I just thought that would be fun reading for you. And then we've got the other side of that bag. And this is from the kit, and I've made it into a little booklet there. I think I'm going to have to put another stapler in that. Right, we'll have to fix that because I think the staple has come out. Yep. Right, we're going to have to put that back in. So that's a little booklet there. Needs a new staple. And then here is the other side of that lace pocket. And this is from the kit on coffee dyed paper. Just love the image of this one here. The rabbit. And then these are, I don't know where I got these from. They're little Alice in Wonderland note cards. And what I've done is I've put a bowl pin on there. Oops. And just put a charm and a key hanging on there. Just to tuck in that pocket. As something a bit cute. And that just dangles in there. And then another tuck spot pocket there for you to put something in. Lots and lots of journaling pages. And then the back page, we have another journaling card, obviously on coffee dyed paper. and one of these tickets. Just love it. So that is my Alice in Wonderland journal, and this is for the lovely Jan. So that will be going to her sometime next week. And lots of love to Jan, because I know that she's under the weather at the moment. So get well, Jan, and hope to speak to you very, very soon. So I hope you enjoyed this journal, and lots of love to you all. Hope you're all very well. I will be away for a few days now, not around for the next couple of days, unfortunately. So I thought I would put these on, upload these for you before I go, and I will be back next week with more of my lovely journals. Just having so much fun doing these journals. Don't forget, if you'd like to get this journal kit, I will put the link below for ARTYmaze, her Etsy store, where you can get it from. So take care for now, and I shall see you all very, very soon. Lots of love. Bye bye.